Hi, I'm Joseph Caldwell, and I'm the Water Resources Practice Leader. The project that we are going to showcase today is the San Jacinto Stage 3 Master Plan. The San Jacinto River Project will provide a balance between conservation and development. It extends 15 miles upstream from Bridge Street to the downstream end at Railroad Canyon, just upstream of Canyon Lake. It has unique hydrology, sensitive plant species, and a hydrological regime that is unlike any other in Riverside County. The experience that we have had at WEBB working on this project over the years has been very fulfilling and very long, interesting process. Soon after I joined WEBB in 2002, Scott Hildebrandt gave me the model for the San Jacinto River and said, "You need to learn this because you'll be working on this your entire career." And I have been for 18 years since. Various plans for this river have been prepared over the years. Initially in 1974, Riverside County Flood Control and Water Conservation District developed the first master plan. Following the development of that master plan in the late 80s, the district formed an assessment district to help design and construct the original master plan. As time progressed to the late 90s, understanding of the uniqueness of the river, some of the very rare plant species, was understood better. For over 45 years, master plans have been prepared, plans have been designed, plans have been redesigned, master plans have been re-prepared due to the unique nature of this reach of the river. In 2003, when I began working on the project, it became very apparent that the engineering and environmental components of this project had to work side by side, one with another. Because of its size, many departments at WEBB have worked on this project. Planning and environmental, survey, stormwater engineering, water resources, all have played a key part in developing this master plan. This project has many challenges that we've had to overcome as we have worked towards developing the master plan. One of the greatest challenges of this project is meeting the needs of the various stakeholders. There's the environmental community, the development community, the cities, the public agencies. All of them have different objectives, different goals they want to see from this project. So how do we develop a project that preserves the environmental features, is economical, and works from an engineering standpoint? After many failed attempts to develop and design and implement a project, in 2016, Supervisor Marion Ashley said, "We need to do something. We've talked about this project for years. It's time that we have action." So he developed a task force, brought in the environmental community, the business development community, and the county, and the city of Paris, and we brought everybody to the table and had a great sit-down discussion. What do we want this project to be? The result of this working group was a conceptual master plan. WEBB was key in developing a conceptual master plan for the river. Following the development of the plan, WEBB was hired by Riverside County Flood Control and Water Conservation District to convert the conceptual plan into a master drainage plan. Most people, when they drive over the San Jacinto River on the 215, just see a big, flat, wide valley floor. And there's no idea that there's a river that runs through this whole valley floor. However, in a 100-year event, there's a flow rate upwards of 25,000 cubic feet per second. Very unique feature to the hydrology of this river is Mystic Lake, upstream of Ramona Expressway. Sometimes you see a lake, other times there's nothing there. It's mystical. It's sometimes there, it's sometimes gone. Mystic Lake plays a key role in the hydrology of this river. How much storage is available really determines how much flow goes downstream. So many times, depending on the condition of Mystic Lake, you can have a huge rainstorm and no flooding on the river. Conversely, if Mystic Lake is full, you can have a much smaller event and have some significant flooding downstream on the San Jacinto River. Upgrades in modeling software have enabled us to illustrate the complex flow dynamics of this river system. When this master plan is ultimately implemented, it will be a great amenity for the community. The San Jacinto River project has opened up a variety of opportunities for us at WEBB. From master planning to environmental analysis, air quality, to this day, when any development goes on along the river, flood control or the various cities around that say, go talk to WEBB. Historically, projects were all about the engineering, make it work as cheap as possible. However, the new reality is that we have to balance the engineering and environmental aspects of every project. The engineering comes in is that we have to be creative, physics still are physics, and we have to make things work given the new regulatory and the new constraints that are placed before us. This project has enabled WEBB to establish itself as one of the preeminent flood control engineers in Southern California.